Hey, this is AdzProductions. Today I'm going to be unboxing the XFX XXX edition 650 watt modular power supply. So let's get going with the unboxing. First thing you'll notice, it says play hard with the XFX logo here. Now all you do is undo these cardboard clips and lift the accessories box out. As you can see, it says Modular Cables. I'm going to put that to one side. As you can see now, it says the XFX website and has the XFX logo and the user guide. Undo these two plastic doors, and here you see the fan of the power supply. This is a 135mm ball bearing fan. The power supply is surrounded by 4 green boxes made of cardboard. Let's go ahead and get the power supply out now. The first thing you notice here is the XFX logo in silver, where you plug the power cable in. On the side of the power supply you can see it says XXX edition 650 watt XFX power supply. Here is a little chart that says AC input, DC output with all the voltages. Then it's just got the cautions. Here we have the barcode and the XFX logo. As you can see, it says 80 plus bronze. On the back of this power supply are where the modular leads connect. Here we have another XFX. Finally, on this side we have the XFX logo, their slogan, play hard, and it says XXX edition. Please be sure not to bin this box straight away, because here is the most important thing about this power supply. In this box we have the UK power mains, and on this other side the American power mains. So here we have the Modular Cables box that I mentioned earlier. So let's go ahead and open it up. Simply pull these cardboard handles, one here and one here. Once you have done this, pull out the contents inside. As you've probably noticed, this isn't a bit of cardboard. This is a well-designed bag by XFX with 2 compartments. Here we have the XFX logo again. In both these compartments they contain the modular cables that you need to plug into the power supply. Here are the first set. I'll go over these at a later point in the video. And here are the second set, which I will again go over later on in the video. On the back of this bag it says play hard again with the XFX logo. I will now go through the fixed cable connectors. First we have a main power ATX 24/20 pin connector. Next we have an ATX 12 volt /EPS 12 volt 4/8 pin connector. Next we have an EPS 12 volt 8 pin connector. Next we have a PCI Express 6 pin connector. And finally, on the fixed cable connectors, we have a PCI Express 6/8 pin connector. Now I'm going to go over the modular connectors found in the bag that I showed you earlier. Firstly, we have 2 PCI Express 6/8 pin connectors. Next, we have 6 Serial ATA 15 pin connectors. And finally, we have 6 Molex 4 pin connectors and 2 FDD 4 pin connectors. Here are the details on the packaging of the power supply for those of you that might like to know.